So now let's discuss how we're going to create this triangle shape. So how we're going to decrease from the right and the left side at the same row. Now I have prepared a similar sample so I can show you how to do that, but let me explain first. So when we're doing only the right side, how did we do it? We transferred the first loop into our right needle without knitting it, and then the second two and the second and the third, we knitted together. That's how we decreased one. We're going to do the same. Then we will keep on knitting until we come to the last three. We will knit this one and this one together as one. So we will do the decrease here, and then we will knit this one as usual. The reason we're doing this is to keep a good edge. So we never decrease at the first two or the last two. We decrease the second and the third, and also here the second and the third, and then we will knit this one as usual, so it will look good on the edges. And then we will turn back. When we turn back, we will just purl whatever comes in front of us. We're not going to do any decreases, not from the right, not from the left. We will just purl. We will do both decreases again when we get back to the front side. So let's start doing it. This is the first time I'm decreasing, so I'm just in the beginning. I will take the first one, my right needle, and I will take these two together and I will knit them as one. So I have decreased one. Now let me knit until I come to the final 3 loops. Now it's time to decrease. I will take these two together, knit as one, and I will knit the final one. Then I turn back. As usual, I take the first one on my right needle without doing anything, and no decreases, no increases, no nothing on the back side. Just purl all the row long. Okay, now let's do another one. On the first rows, it's not really easy to spot the difference, so don't worry. It might look like you haven't done the decrease, but yeah, you have. You can always count the loops to make sure. Also see here the difference, but yeah, it's not easy to spot. But once you do 4 or 5 rows, it's easier to understand. Let's go. First one, untouched. The next 2 take together, knit as one. You have successfully decreased 1. Knit until the end of row. Okay, now we're almost there. Now we will decrease to provide this angle. So take these 2 together. Okay. Wrap around, knit as one. And the last one, you don't just transfer it, you knit it. The last ones we knit. Only the first one we don't touch. Okay. So I'll turn back and I will purl everything I see here. So I will keep on doing this for a few more rows, and I will show you again when I'm here. So I have done a few more rows, and now you can see that I'm decreasing beautifully on both sides. Let's do another row together. The first loop we're going to spare, and the second 2 we will knit together. Now we will knit until the end and we'll stop here. Yes, the final 3. So I will knit these 2 together. So I'll make my decrease before I come to the last loop, and I will knit the last loop as usual. So now I'll turn around and I'll purl without doing any increases, any decreases, no nothing. I will just purl whatever comes in front of me. Just do the purling. So I think that's clear enough. Thank you. Bye.